Welcome to this BoldDesk AI agent tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to use an AI agent to manage customer conversations on Instagram automatically. For a complete guide on creating an AI agent in BoldDesk, check out the video linked in the card or in the description. I have created and published General Queries AI. Next, go to the Admin Center, open the Chat module, navigate to the Channels section, and select the Instagram option. Click View Accounts to see a list of Facebook pages. Then select Manage to open the accounts listing page. Here, you can add an AI agent while adding a new account or editing an existing one. I choose to add an AI agent to my existing Facebook account, so I click the Edit button to open the Facebook account configuration page. In the Direct Message section, toggle on the AI Agent Assistance option. Then choose the handover method. The Auto Assign to AI Agent option automatically assigns customer conversations to the selected AI agent upon creation. The Manual Handover option transfers conversations manually using workflows. Click Save to apply the changes. It is important to note that the AI agent only handles Instagram direct messages. It does not respond to stories or comments. Each Instagram account can be mapped to only one AI agent. Now, when a customer starts a conversation in Instagram, the AI agent will automatically join and respond to the customer query, ensuring quicker replies and more consistent support. Check out the playlist in the description below for a full AI agent guide. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.